Hi everyone, it's great to be here with you today to talk about the importance of maintaining cleanliness and hygiene in your home. Keeping your home clean and tidy is not only crucial for your health but also for the well being of your family. In this video, I'm going to share with you some additional habits that you can incorporate into your daily routine to improve cleanliness and hygiene in your home. Let us get started without any further delay. Don't wear shoes inside the house. Shoes can carry dirt, dust, and germs from outside, so it's best to remove them before entering your home. Don't let your dog sit on your sofa. If you have pets, it's important to not let them sit on your sofa or other furniture. Pets can carry germs and dirt on their fur, so it's best to keep them off your furniture. Lidded bin for wet garbage. To prevent bad odors and the spread of germs, always use a closed bin covered in bin bags for wet garbage. This will help keep your home smelling fresh and clean. Do not dump clothes. Instead of dumping clothes on the floor or on a chair, store them in a closet or in a drawer. This will help keep your home organized and tidy. Store in order. Make sure to store items in an orderly manner and keep similar items together. This will make it easier to find what you're looking for and will help keep your home organized. Stop collecting unnecessary things. Avoid collecting unnecessary items, such as old magazines or broken appliances. Instead, donate or throw out items that you no longer need. 10 minutes kitchen cleaning activity before bed. Before going to bed, take 10 minutes to clean up your kitchen. Wash the dishes, wipe down the counters, and tidy up any clutter. This will help you start the next day with a clean and organized kitchen. Throw out unused and past expiration condiments. Check your refrigerator regularly for unused or expired condiments and throw them out. Keeping your refrigerator clean and organized will help prevent spoilage and the growth of harmful bacteria. Stop piling. Avoid piling items on top of each other, as this can create clutter and make it difficult to find what you're looking for. Instead, store items in a neat and organized manner. That's it for today's video on additional habits to improve cleanliness and hygiene in your home. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can help keep your home clean, tidy, and healthy for you and your family. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.